Friday Foundation lesson. You will need sentence. Get a pencil, a little sentence strip. You're going to be dictating a sentence to close this one down on Friday, and you just need a dry erase board real quick to review some suffixes. Mrs. Martins went over yesterday. So if you don't have those, pause your video. If you do have those, if you have your Foundations mat, your dry erase marker, your erase board, and your sentence strip, with a pencil, let's go. So we're going to quickly go over three items. We're going to go over suffix y. Go ahead and write y. We're going to go over suffix ty. We're going to go on over suffix ly. Mrs. Martins talked about those yesterday, but I wanted to spend some time on them today to quickly review them and put you in a space where you're moving forward successfully with them. So if you remember on suffix y, it says that y can be used as a suffix to make a word into a word that describes something, someone, or something. I think she did chili yesterday. Ch, I, l, chill, e, suffix y. Someone or something can be chilly. So the weather outside can be windy. Go ahead and spell the word wind. Ready? Wind. And glued sound. And wind. And I hope you're spelling wind, W-I-N-D, and then add that suffix at the end. Windy. So that suffix y makes an E sound. Okay, so far so good. Next example here is a suffix you can add at the end of a word is ty. What sound that makes? You should be thinking in your head, what sound does ty make at the end of a word? T. So right here we're going to write a word and we're going to add suffix ty to the end. So we're going to write the word six. Let's tap it out. Get your fingers out. Ready? Here we go. Six. Go ahead and spell that. Awesome. Six. Go ahead and write suffix ty at the end. Six. Six is your base word, your root word, and ty is your suffix. T, 6T. I have 60 cookies. Right? So far, suffix y, wind e, ty, 6T, and then we have suffix ly at the end of a word. We're going to spell this base word together. Final. Ready? Let's tap it. All. I. Go ahead and spell that with your marker. All. Final. A final is what you take at the end of a course in college. It's your final exam. You might take one over in middle school, high school as well. Final. But we're going to add suffix ly to the end of it. And we're going to make it finally. This is lee. This is t, and this is e. E, t, and lee. Finally. There's your suffix at the end of final. And you have finally. Great. That's all you needed your board for today. If you do not have your pencil in your dictation sentence, please grab that. If you already do, here's your sentence. I'll say it a couple times. If you need to rewind it and pause it, great. Have at it. Frank depended on his family for a ride home. I will repeat it numerous times. Frank, ank is a glued sound, ank. Frank depended on his family for a ride home. Frank, glued sound, depended has suffixes on it. It's got two syllables. It's got open syllables, closed syllables. Frank depended on his family for a ride home. You have vowel consonant E in the last two words. And you have family, which is that Y you're putting it at the end of a word that's still a vowel that makes the E sound. So Frank depended on his family for a ride home. Go ahead and write that sentence, turn it in. Thanks.